What's ever up, everybody? Jeff from Joe's Golden Garage. Doing a little highway jaunt in the...
Right to I-75 North.
I can't remember what year this thing is. Dodge Avenger. I've done one other video on my channel on this car. But I'm swapping it with my cousin in Chattanooga, so I'm getting to drive it on the freeway for the first time. These things are smooth little cars. I mean, to be a basic kind of rental car, and, you know, kind of looked down upon when you read all the car reviews. You know, they don't really have a whole lot positive to say about these things. But I think it's a neat little car. It's just the 4-cylinder, the little 2.4 that Chrysler's been using for a while. And it's slogging through a 4-speed automatic. Here I am hitting 80, no sweat. We're going to set the cruise. Little car drive's terrific. It's quiet. The steering is very sharp in this car, I've noticed. It takes very little input in the steering for it to make a change. Here we're going to change lane. The car's loaded with blind spots. I don't know if you can see all that, but it is loaded with blind spots. Low roof line. I'm 6'2". This is at my head. It's got a low roof line, but there's plenty of headroom. Someone had just messaged me this week on YouTube asking, they were 6'4", if they could fit. And I had to think about it for a minute, and most definitely, because I'm 6'2", and there's another 6 to 8 inches above my head, so it has plenty of headroom. Now, of course, this is a no sunroof car. This is kind of a base model. So I don't know how much room, if you bought a nicer trim level that had a sunroof, I don't know how much more headroom that would eat up. But yeah, I mean, I've got the air conditioning on low, and it's about to freeze my ass off. Holy crap, it's cold. I'll turn it off. But yeah, let's set the cruise, and let's just ride down the road a little bit. I didn't press the right button. I pressed resume instead of set. Let's let some of this slower traffic get out of the way. We'll set the cruise on about 80. It downshifts pretty easily. It needed third to pick up a little speed and get up this hill, so it downshifts pretty easily. You don't have to prod it too hard. And I can't imagine this thing with a V6. I think it's what, the 3.6 Pentastar you can get in this thing, and a higher trim level. Holy crap, this thing would be a rocket ship with that engine. The 4-cylinder is definitely all you need. All right, cruise set right on 80. Turning about 2,900 RPM. Not bad. Like I said, we're slogging through a 4-speed automatic. But, yeah, quiet, nice cruiser. I'll shut up a minute. Let's ride. I think I'm really going about 81. Uh-oh, look at the Waze app. I'm right there. And look what's right there. That is their favorite spot for the little popo to run their little speed trap. 3 or 4 of them will sit there. Ooh, we're approaching. It's just beyond this rise right here. So I'm going to cancel the cruise and slow down just a touch to about 75, and I'm probably going to hide this camera. I don't want them to see me filming. Yep, they're sitting up here. Just keep it about 74, 75. Hi, guys. Yep, there's a gravel cross through right there they love to sit at. Looks like they're just hanging out this Friday, riding the clock. We'll set the cruise on about 78. Let's do that. Probably could get away with 80, but we'll play it safe. They usually let you slide here in Georgia on 80, just 10 over. But by golly, you better not be going 81, because they will stop you then. Usually. Got my stepmom following me back there in the Highlander. I don't know if you can see it in the rear view. Oh no, maybe, kind of a little bit. Maybe some headlights. Got her following me in the Highlander. We got some car swapping to do today. Holy crap, look at all the cops coming up ahead. Look at all those. We got a lot of them. Jeez. They're out today. Sorry guys, I can't remember what year this car is. I want to say it's a 14, maybe a 15. Look back on my previous video I did about 6 months ago. I've got the year in it. I can't remember. This the story again on this car was this is my cousin Zach's car. It was given to him as a graduation present from high school by his father. His father worked at the Dodge dealer, and he gifted this car to him as a graduation from high school present. Pretty nice, I thought. It was slightly used. It had about 5,000 or 6,000 miles on it, or 10 or something, somewhere real low. And it now has 82,409. So my cousin has really used it. He commutes in from Georgia to Chattanooga. He did commute for a few years. He now lives up here, so now he doesn't have to commute anymore, but he rolled the miles up pretty quick in that couple of years commuting from Georgia to Tennessee, like I used to do. I used to do it too. Won't make this video too long. We'll keep it at about 10 minutes.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
You guys have a great day. Hope you have a wonderful weekend and everybody's staying safe, healthy. And like, subscribe, comment. Please comment, like. Helps me out, helps the channel, especially when you like. Y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys with the next one. Peace.
Police reported